The favorite, entry number 2. And they're off. Early lead is taken by New Empire from the outside. Moving up on the inside is Princess Wenda and Gio Conti. It's Princess Wenda, Gio Conti, New Empire on the outside. Lambing Pinay moving up on the inside. And Angelus nearing the far turn. Lambing Pinay by the rail. And Princess Wenda on the outside. New Empire remains in third. And at the far turn is Princess Wenda in the lead, followed by Lambing Pinay. And New Empire now moving up on the further outside. But it's still entry number 1, Princess Wenda in the lead by half a length, followed by New Empire on the outside. And Lambing Pinay running in third. And entry number 3. And into the home stretch, Princess Wenda by the rail. Is still Princess Wenda and New Empire now moving up on the outside. Lambing Pinay, Silent Power on the further outside. And into the home stretch, Princess Wenda, followed by New Empire on the outside. Lambing Pinay, Silent Power on the further outside. It's still Princess Wenda and New Empire on the outside. Princess Wenda and New Empire. And finally at the playoff line, it's New Empire, Princess Wenda, Silent Power, Lambing Pinay, Sininer.
718.